Welcome to my channel. Arlo camera showing orange light. Try these quick fixes. 1. Check internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. Restart your router if needed. 2. Restart the camera. Turn off the camera, wait 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back on. 3. Check battery level. Low battery can cause orange light. Charge or replace the battery. 4. Move camera closer to router. Weak signal can trigger connection issues. Keep it within range. 5. Sync the camera again. Press the sync button on the camera and base station to reconnect. 6. Restart base station, hub. Unplug the base station, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. 7. Check Arlo app status. Open the Arlo app and see if the camera is offline or needs setup. 8. Update firmware. Make sure your camera firmware is up to date from the app settings. 9. Reset the camera. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until LED changes. 10. Re-add camera to account. Remove the device from the app and add it again like a new setup. Thanks for watching.